Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. If you can dream it, you can do it. I repeat, if you can dream it, you can do it. This is a circle, then the outer boundary of a circle can be measured using a scale. But now, since it's a circular shape, you cannot directly measure it through the scale. So, if you take any wire or string and then round it, mold it around that circular object, and then unfold it, then we can measure it using a scale. So that is the circumference of a circle. In short, we can say it's a perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of a circle is called as the circumference of a circle. So it's actually a outer boundary of the circle, that when you measure it, then it's a circumference of a circle. If this is a circle and if I break these 2 points, break the circle in 2 parts, this is first part, upper part, and this is lower part, then these 2 different parts of the circle are called as arc of a circle, arc. Okay, the 2 points that distribute the given circle is called as, that splits the given circle is called as the arc of a circle. The first part is this AB, second part is this AB. So shown alongside is a plastic bangle. If the bangle breaks at a point A and B, it will split into 2 parts as shown in the picture. Each of the part is an arc of a circle. Now see, this is a circle and there are few points on the circle, P, Q, R and S are 4 points on the circle. On the given circle, there are 2 points P and Q. These 2 points have divided the circle into 2 parts. Each of these parts is an arc of the circle. This means that P and Q have created 2 arcs. P and Q are the end points of both arcs. Now let us see what they have told us. If this is a circle and there are 2 points P and Q, 2 points on the circle. Now the 2 points split or divide the circle into 2 parts. This is upper part and this is lower part. Okay, so how can I read these 2 parts? The first part PQ, the second part is also PQ, as in the previous case. First part AB, the second part is also AB. Okay, same way here also, first part is PQ and second part is also PQ. But this PQ means which arc, that we cannot understand. That's why the 2 different points are also given there to tell us that which arc is exactly you want to describe. So you can name the arc by 3 letters so that it will be perfectly located. So this arc is PSQ is upper part, arc PSQ is upper arc, and arc PRQ is the lower arc. Now see, from the name arc PQ, we cannot say which of the 2 arcs are we speaking of. So an additional point is taken on each arc. This point is used to give each arc a 3-letter name. In this figure there are 2 arcs, arc PSQ and arc PRQ. यहाँ पे अगर मैं बोलूँगी कि PQ ये एक सर्कल को स्प्लिट कर रहा है, 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो ये भी आर्क PQ हो जाएगा और ये भी आर्क PQ हो जाएगा. तो हम पर्टिकुलरली कौन से वाले आर्क के बारे में बोल रहे हैं वो आपको नहीं समझेगा. दैट्स वाई उनको डिफाइन करने के लिए पर्टिकुलरली लोअर वाला आर्क है या अपर वाला आर्क है, ये बताने के लिए यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स दिए हैं और वो 2 पॉइंट्स आपको बताएंगे कि कौन सा वाला आर्क है. तो ये फर्स्ट वाला ऊपर वाला आर्क हम कैसे लिखेंगे? आर्क PSQ. सो 3 लेटर naming system is used for identifying the particular arc. और यहाँ पे लोअर वाले आर्क को बोलेंगे आर्क PRQ. No problem set 31. In the figure given alongside, points S, L, M and N are on the circle. Answer the questions with the help of diagram. Write the names of the arc with end points S and M. S and M ऐसे 2 points अगर है तो ये सर्कल के इन दोनों से बनने वाले आर्क का नाम लिखना है. ओके, सो एस एंड एम डिवाइड करते हैं ये फर्स्ट आर्क और ये सेकंड आर्क. ओके, सो हाउ विल यू रीड दिस 2 आर्क्स? आर्क एस एल एम एंड आर्क एस एन एम. ओके, सो आर्क SLM and SNM are the names of the arc that are with endpoints S and M. endpoints S and M. L और N पूछा है क्या? नहीं, S और M पूछा है, माने एंड पॉइंट्स ये होने चाहिए. ठीक है. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द आर्क्स विद द एंड पॉइंट्स L एंड N. L एंड N एंड पॉइंट्स है, ऐसे आर्क के नाम लिखने हैं. क्या होंगे बताओ? L M N. और दूसरा क्या होगा? L S N. आप उल्टा भी लिख सकते हो, N आर्क N S L और आर्क N M L. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप, बट पर्टिकुलरली ये आर्क डिफाइन करेगा, उनका नाम NML और LMN. Question number 2. Write the names of arcs that points A, B, C, D in the given circle gives rise to. अभी यहाँ पे जो सर्कल दिया है उसमें कौन से डिफरेंट टाइप्स के आर्क्स बने हुए हैं वो आपको बताना है. यू कैन राइट बाय योर ओन नेम ऑल्सो. AD, AB, BC एंड CD. देन ADC, DCB, CBA and BAD. Okay, so many types of arc will be made using these 4 points. Okay, you can write the names by your own. Few examples I have given here, but you can use your own names here. Give the names of the arcs that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. So now this is a circle and there are few points on the circle. So उससे बने हुए different arcs को लिखना है. So arc P, Q, R, arc P, R, S, P, S, T. Okay, so you can write by your own. So many points are there, so many arcs can be made. आप अपने मन से आर्क लिख सकते हो. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स मैंने यहाँ पे लिख के दिए हैं, बट आप अपने मन से भी अलग अलग आर्क्स तैयार कर सकते हो. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson. We will start with the new lesson. Thank you.